Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. So, a lot of rugged phones have been showcased at this year's Mobile World Congress, MWC, that is taking place in Barcelona. We saw rugged phones like Energizer P28K with humongous 28,000 mAh battery. Ulefone also showcased their upcoming satellite phone, Ulefone Armor 26 Ultra, both of which I have covered on this channel. You can check the description if you are interested in watching those videos. However, in today's video, I will be talking about another cool rugged phone that has caught my attention at the ongoing MWC. The phone is IIIF150 Air2 Ultra. IIIF150 claims Air2 Ultra is the thinnest rugged phone in the world at around 8.5 mm in thickness, and it only weighs around 250 grams. According to information released so far, the phone will have the usual IP68, IP69K, which is standard for rugged phones, and it will be military standard 810H certified. Also, the Air2 Ultra has a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display. The display will be AMOLED panel with a 2460 by 1080p resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and brightness of up to 1100 nits. As for the camera, Air2 Ultra will have a dual rear camera of 108 megapixel main sensor and another 64 megapixel infrared sensor. MediaTek Dimensity 7050 will be the CPU, and it will come with Android 14 out of the box. Air2 Ultra will have a 5000 mAh battery, although another source is quoting 10,000 mAh battery, which I think is too generous for such a thin phone. Overall, I think the phone is a beautiful beast, and I hope I get to review it for you guys. Anyways, what do you think about this upcoming Air2 Ultra? Let me know in the comment section below. And you can watch other rugged phones from MWC that we have covered on this channel if you are interested. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.